Hi, I'm Akhil Sanghi, Director of SP Sanghi Air Conditioning Private Limited. SP Sanghi is a part of the Science Sanghi Group company dealing in various brands of air conditioners. We started this business in 1972. Today we are one of the leading brands in the air conditioning industry. We deal in brands like Daikin, Mitsubishi, Carrier, LG, Voltas, Blue Star. We offer complete turnkey solutions to our customers, starting from the sales, installation, and after-sales service. We undertake AMC contracts of all brands of air conditioners. We even undertake repairs of ACs with the guarantees. Our total staff strength is approximately 70 people, which is broken up into 3 divisions. The sales and project team is approximately 12 people. We have about 25 people in our service team, and our back office makes up the balance of about 15 people. Signing off, Akhil Sanghi from SP Sanghi. Depend on us for all your cooling solutions.